Where the mind is without fear, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
A renowned poet, a prolific writer, a novelist, visual artist, philosopher and philanthropist. This eminent personality was born in the famous Thakurbari of Jorashako on 7th May 1861 to Maharshi Devendranath Tagore and Sharada Devi. A very good morning to everyone, Honorable Director Sir, Vice Principal Sir, respected teachers and my fellow mates. Today we are here to celebrate 160th Rabindra Jayanti in online mode. We initiate the program with lamp lighting ceremony by respected Director Sir, Vice Principal Sir and Coordinator Sir.
আগুনের পরশমণি ছোঁয়াও প্রাণে এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো দহন দানে আগুনে পরশমণি ছোঁয়াও প্রাণে আমার এই দেহখানি তুলে ধরো তোমার ওই দেওয়ালয়ে প্রদীপ করো নিশিদিন আলোক শিখা জ্বলুক গানে আগুনে পরশমণি ছোঁয়াও প্রাণে আঁধারের গায়ে গায়ে পরশ তব সারা রাত ফোটাক তারা নব নব আঁধারের গায়ে গায়ে পরশ তব সারা রাত ফোটাক তারা নব নব নয়নের দৃষ্টি হতে ঘুচবে কালো যেখানে পড়বে সেথায় দেখবে আলো
We request Sir to say a few words on this auspicious occasion.
A very good morning, everyone. Before I begin, I would like to thank you all for your evergreen support that you have shown in our school fraternity during this hazardous pandemic situation. Amidst all this pandemic, we have come together to acknowledge the literary work of Rabindranath Tagore and his contribution to the field of literature on his 168th birth anniversary. The great Indian poet and author was born to a rich and cultural family, as we everyone know, and he gained his education from the best known educator of that period. And further, I will not bore you by saying his life history, because we all know most of the things about him. So instead, I would like to draw some light upon the facts that how during the time of freedom struggle he inspired and filled our freedom fighters with motivation, courage, and immense love for motherland. He instilled the sense of sacrifices in youth through his poetry. For him, true meaning of freedom was freedom of wisdom, freedom of thinking. He knew and believed that one can gain a physical freedom by or through physical struggle, but to gain the freedom of mind, only the way was writing. That is why he started writing in his early age, and he contributed so many things. His big lifespan in the history of literature. He added a long chapter in Indian and world history of literature. His best works were writing during the time of freedom struggle, which highlights that Tagore knew how to withdraw light even in the darkest of time. And this is something we should implement in our current days. We are supposed to seek for light of knowledge, love, and prosperity among ourselves. When the lockdown began in the year 2020 and our students were supposed to stop within the boundary of 4 walls, we were confined physically, but many of our students tried to set their minds and souls free through daily practice of writing, and many of them have turned out to be a good poet and authors, and it's our duty to encourage them. In this modern age, somewhere our new generation is missing a very, very impressive habit, and the habit is buying books and reading and giving our books to our children as a gift. It's a very impressive habit, and in this, the age of social media and internet, we are slowly missing our historic heroes, poets, authors, and writers. That is why even during this pandemic, the celebration of this Rabindra Jayanti makes a revolutionary meaning. These days, we find sometimes at our home, our children, they request us, Papa or Mom or brother, please listen, I have written a poem. I want to dictate a story, but we know we are busy. But I request on behalf of my school family to everyone, we should spare a little time from our busy schedule to listen them very carefully, attentively. We should spare our precious time to make these children precious in coming future. It is our social responsibilities to give platform, opportunities to these small kids to plant, to take out and their hidden poet and authors in them and to encourage them. Well, I have come to the very end of my speech, and before I end, I would like to state a fact that when Rabindranath Tagore, as I said, he started his writing at his early age. When he began writing, if his parents, his teachers, his elders, and the close ones, if wouldn't have supported him, or if we wouldn't have encouraged him, today we wouldn't have been celebrating 160th birthday of Rabindranath Tagore. That is why to give birth so many Rabindranath Tagores which are hidden in our society, to encourage them, to plant the thinking of Rabindranath Tagore, the celebration is very much essential. The reminders is very much essential. As I said, slowly we are missing our historic heroes. Therefore, in this age of social media, through social media, through internet, through books, and whatever so many medias we can use, by using, we should reach to our children, we should reach to our small kids, how we can encourage them. So, thank you all for your kind attention and sparing precious time to listen me. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.
Rabindranath Tagore started writing poems at an early age of 14 only. He has blended the mysticism and sentimental beauty of Indian culture in a perfect way and bagged the Nobel Prize for his memorable work, Gitanjali. We start the program with a famous song of Tagore, Greeting the Boishakh by Shruti Paul from class 4.
beautiful song. Amar Shonar Bangla, national anthem of Bangladesh, Jana Gana Mana, national anthem of India, will keep its fame to its highest peak. Yes, this great personality is none other than Rabindranath Tagore, our own Gurudev, the greatest figure in the modern Indian Renaissance. Now, little Nirja from UKG will take us to the rhythm of Morbina through her dance.
বীণায় ওঠে কোন সুরে বাজে, কোন নব চঞ্চল ছন্দে মোর বীণায় ওঠে কোন সুরে বাজে, মম অন্তর কম্পিত আজি, নিখিলের হৃদয় স্পন্দে মোর বীণায় ওঠে কোন সুরে বাজে, কোন নব চঞ্চল ছন্দে মোর বীণায় ওঠে কোন সুরে বাজে। আসে কোন তরুণ অশান্ত, উড়ে বসনাঞ্চল প্রান্ত, আলোকের নৃত্যে বনান্ত, মুখরিত অধীর আনন্দে মোর বীণায় ওঠে কোন সুরে বাজে, কোন নব চঞ্চল ছন্দে মোর বীণায় ওঠে কোন সুরে বাজে। অম্বর প্রাঙ্গণ মাঝে নিঃস্বর মঞ্জির গুঞ্জে, অশ্রুত শীতালে বাজে করতালি পল্লব পুঞ্জে।
It was a wonderful performance. Tagore was a good philosopher through which he has influenced a huge range of Indian people during the freedom struggle. Sudipta Shah from class 9 is coming to enthrall our hearts with her sweet song. So nice it was. Rabindranath can be compared to Rabindranath himself. We look upon him as the source of beauty and knowledge, and as the inspiration of all noble through great ideas. Now Adhyasri and Ayusri will mesmerize us with their rhythmic dance.
ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান, তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান। আমার আপন হারা প্রাণ, আমার বাঁধন ছেঁড়া প্রাণ, তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান। ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান। আমার আপন হারা প্রাণ, আমার বাঁধন ছেঁড়া প্রাণ, তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান। ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান। তোমার রসকে কিংসুকে, তোমার রসকে কিংসুকে অলক্ষ রং লাগলো আমার কারণের সুখে। তোমার রসকে কিংসুকে অলক্ষ রং লাগলো আমার কারণের সুখে। তোমার ঝাউয়ের দোলে মরমরিয়া ওঠে আমার দুঃখ রাতের গান। তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান। ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান। পূর্ণিমা সন্ধ্যায় তোমার রজনীগন্ধায়, রূপসাগরের পারের পানে উদাসী মন্ধায়। পূর্ণিমা সন্ধ্যায় তোমার রজনীগন্ধায়, রূপসাগরের পারের পানে উদাসী মন্ধায়। তোমার প্রজাপতির পাখা।
It was really mesmerizing performance. The Bird of Bengal. Tagore was a Nobel laureate, and today we celebrate a cultural program in remembrance and reverence of Luminary Tagore on his birth anniversary. Now, Devduti Saha of class 4 will take us to the world of melodies through his instrument song.
আলো নয়ন ভুয়া
It was fantastic. Tagore was truly ahead of his time and is considered a cultural icon. He was a pantheist, a prophet philosopher who established Vishwa Bharati in Shantiniketan, the land of Lal Mati. A true patriot he was, so he renounced the title of knight, conferred to him by King George in 1915 in protest of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Trisha Das of class 10 will present a dance. Let us enjoy the rhythm.
सजनी सजनी राधिका लो देख अब चाहिया सजनी सजनी राधिका लो देख अब चाहिया मृदुल गमन श्याम आवे मृदुल गान गाहिया सजनी सजनी राधिका लो देख अब चाहिया
सजनी सजनी राधिका लो
सनी 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 धप मगमा
देख अब हो चाहिया
धप ध धप मगरे गरे
मृदुल गमन श्याम आवे
निस सारी रे ग गम म प
मृदुल गान गाहिया सजनी सजनी राधिका लो देख अब हो चाहिया मृदुल गमन श्याम आवे मृदुल गान गाहिया
पीनह झटित कुसुमहार पीनह नील आंगिया पीनह झटित कुसुमहार पीनह नील आंगिया सुंदरी सिंदूर देखे सीखे करह रागिया सजनी सजनी राधिका लो देख अब हो चाहिया
Really, it was a very beautiful dance. Tagore is recognized for his profoundly sensitive, fresh, and beautiful verse. This great personality left for his heavenly abode on 7th August 1941, but he is still alive in our hearts through his deeds.
Now we request our respected Vice Principal sir to share few words and give vote of thanks.
A very good morning to Honorable Director sir, my dear colleagues, beloved children and all the parents as well as online viewers. Today on this auspicious day, I am here to present purpose of vote of thanks to show the gratitude to all the participants as well as parents. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Director sir for his valuable speech and giving permission to organize online mode celebration of Rabindra Jayanti. Secondly, I would like to thank all the participants for making this program grand success. I would like to thank all the parents for your kind support to make this program grand success. At last but not the least, I would like to thank all the teachers for their kind support and to beautify the programs. By saying these few words, I am going to conclude the purpose of vote of thanks. Thank you very much.